Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a document on a new spreadsheet on the Google Sheets application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the plus icon down below in the right corner of the screen. Tap on the new spreadsheet icon. Then you should type in the name of your file. And tap the button create. Now as you can see, there is your spreadsheet and you can start working on it by tapping on the relevant box, and then you can enter your text or formula if you feel like to add anything. Press the button checkmark, this checkmark icon next to your text, thereby adding it to the first column. Here at the bottom of the page you can see that you can make your text bold. You can use the select the color of the text. You can also fill in with the color. You can proceed by going to the next row. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.